When you've dried off your beans, pop them in a sieve, a few at a time. Now this will take a while, so set aside a good morning to make this bean puree, and with the back of a metal spoon push the beans against the sieve and you'll see that the puree is falling out into the bowl. Now you will be left with some husks. You won't be able to press everything through the sieve. Don't worry, I'm sure the chickens will love to peck at that later. Now for my homemade sweets, I'm only using half of the bean puree. The other half I'm saving to make some mock marzipan. But with the first half, I've added 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm now going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of household milk, which is very good for homemade sweet making. Now mix those ingredients together and we're then going to add some flavouring. You can either use vanilla or rum, and I've decided I'm going to make these into chocolate rum truffles, so I'm going to add a little bit of rum flavouring. Just a few drops. Push the mixture hard with the back of the spoon and it will start to come together. When it's all come together, take a small amount. If you have some spare raisins and sultanas, pop that in the middle, roll it in a ball, roll it in some cocoa, and do this with all the mixture and you'll have some delicious chocolate truffles. Find an old box and some scraps of wrapping paper, and if you're lucky enough to have some little cake cases or have saved some cellophane wrappers from sweets, you can present your chocolate truffles in a beautiful way for friends and family.